Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Abdul Rahim. My number matric is CN220358. My program code is BNE, yeah, which is electrical power. And then from this individual task for presentation, I want to choose the first lab. The first lab, we have the microcontroller, which is I use the PIC18F4550. And then in the microcontroller, we have assembly code, C language, which is the language for use in the PIC. Okay, for the simulation and the program. In the program, we use the PBL Lab XIDE, and then for the simulation, we use the Proteus. Okay, now I want to show you the first lab and how to program it. I want to use the PBL Lab XIDE. So let's join it.
Okay, now I want to show you the first lab in microcontroller. So in the first thing you need to do, the first lab is starting new project in PBL Lab XIDE. So at this I already do the first lab. The first thing you need to do using assembly language, need to set the configuration bit, same with the lab sheet, and then paste it into the source code, and then the coding will pop up here. After that, you need to select the run and set main project to the first lab, and then run it, build main project, and then it will show the output. It will show the notice it built successful, total time is 7 seconds. Alright, after the coding is successful, you need to do the simulation using the Proteus. Okay, for the next, we are starting new project using C language and C8 compiler in PBL Lab. So I already do the lab. First thing, you need to set in the file, and then open new project. After you setting up the new project, and then create a new file and choose the C language. After you already setting your file and your project, and then you need to setting the configuration bit. Also same with the first one, you need to follow the instruction in the lab sheet, and then you paste it into the source code. After you checking your coding is not false, and then you need to try to run the program. The first thing, you setting the project first, and then you try to run it. Okay, in this it already say the build successful, total time is 11 seconds.
From the video, the tutorial to use the PBL Lab XIDE, so I want to give you some of the benefit from this lab. Okay, the first thing, we know how to use the PIC program using assembly language, C language into the programming. And the second thing is we can construct the circuit, we can simulate the program in Proteus. The application of microcontroller, the first thing, we can do the mobile phone, we can do the automobile, we can do the washing machine, we can do the security alarm, and then it's also used for camera. Lastly, knowledge is important for us, and go for it, catch it, and we can achieve it. So that's all from me. Thank you.